Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Some users see a try again later error when liking posts on Instagram. This happens when Instagram detects too many actions in a short time. Liking many posts quickly can trigger a temporary safety limit. This is done to prevent spam activity. First, stop liking posts immediately. Do not keep tapping the like button again and again. Now close the Instagram app completely. Open phone settings and go to apps. Find Instagram and tap on storage. Clear cache only. Next, switch your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. Now log out of your Instagram account. Wait at least 24 hours before logging back in. During this time, do not like or follow anyone. The restriction usually removes itself automatically. You can also check Instagram's official troubleshooting page. Open Chrome on your phone or PC. In the search bar, type Instagram try again later error. Open the website result that says troubleshooting. Read what Instagram explains on that page. If the issue is still not fixed, scroll down and tap on report a problem. Submit your issue clearly. Reporting does not unlock instantly, but it helps Instagram review your account. That is how you fix the try again later error on Instagram. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Instagram fixes and tutorials.